witnessing right now. You have to realize, whatever you are witnessing right now ay hindi po mangyayari without the leadership of the best ever Speaker of the Congress of the Philippines. Dito po ang palagi kong sinasabi sa inyo kung bakit bumabagyo at bumabaha ng biyaya sa 2nd District. It is because of our dear Speaker. So once again, let me state my lines. Kaya may AX dahil ni Speaker. Kaya may akap dahil ni Speaker. Kaya may tupad dahil ni Speaker. Kaya may mga barangay road dahil ni Speaker. Kaya may patubig dahil ni Speaker. At kaya may groundbreaking ngayon dahil ni Speaker.